And John Manuelian, you know, one of the things that Dorothy Clay Sims was struggling with right before the break was this issue of the resources that Dr. Logan has used to come up with some of his opinions. This is critical, I would assume, for the defense, because if you're going to make an opinion about something, or at least try to contradict what Dr. Arpad Voss is saying, you need to come in with your sources and be able to back up your opinion, right? Isn't that essential to what we're seeing here?
It is, but again, going back to his expertise, I think because he's being forthright and he's explaining his background as far as being a toxicologist and a chemist, I think the judge may overlook that fact and accept his candidness and his expertise into the areas that he knows and apply his testimony in that respect. And I do want to say one thing. I think what you're going to hear in this trial and through Dr. Logan is that the gas chromatograph and the mass spectrometer, the gas chromatograph meaning the utility that identify the compound, and the mass spectrometer, which it basically says what the compound is, you're going to see that there was numerous glitches and errors during this testing. And I think that's what we're going to be hearing when Dr. Logan continues his testimony, and that's one of the reasons why the defense brought the motion, because the quantitative analysis cannot be. There's no conclusory tests. There's presumptive tests, but there's no conclusions to the test. And because there's no conclusions to the test, it's unreliable. There's an indicia of unreliability, and I think based on that, the judge may exclude this evidence.